traders and active traders. Welcome to Special Day Trading Courses. I wanted to welcome you all. My name is Hamdan.
Hello, this is Asham from LearnDayTradingFast.com. I wanted to welcome you all. It's 11:23 a.m. February 13th, 2012, all the way from Canada, Toronto. And today's strategy, what I want to share with you and show you, so you become a professional trader very fast and in no time, by copy-paste the strategies that I share with you here, or my what I call video strategies that I share with my email list. And what I'm looking for is shorting yesterday's high off today's chart based on the pattern. When today's pattern touches yesterday's chart and it makes what I call a descending triangle like this, I'm looking to short the stock at 37.50 and continue all the way down to 36. And from 36, since it's in the middle of yesterday's range, which is an equilibrium point, that's when buyers and sellers meet, I like to take half of my profits and keep the half positioning, so it can, in case it goes down to yesterday's low, so I have money made in the pocket. And that's what I wanted to share with you, that when you see a chart that is touching yesterday's high like this, and it makes a descending triangle or whatever the pattern is, and you see the volume is increasing a little bit from previous half hour or so, or 15 minutes, it tells me that the institutionals, hedge fund managers, online day traders are piling up on that what I call flood of gate of the money zone, and they're going to come down and short the stock. So I'm going to pause and come back and see where the short points of 37.50 will take us to. Again, when you see a stock shorting from yesterday and off today's chart, and it reaches the middle of yesterday's chart, that's an equilibrium point. So I'm looking to take half or 3/4 of my positions, since that's the buyers and sellers where they meet. So therefore, we have what I call a balance signal. Right now we have an imbalance signal. So once it gets to a balance, I'm looking to take 3/4 of my positions and let the other quarter or half, if I take the half positions, till it reaches to yesterday's low, and continue down, or whatever that is, when it reaches to a different support or resistance, step by step. Since I'm a day trader, I'm a grinder, I look forward to short and take profits incrementally. That's what day trading is all about, is to take profits when it's there, because that's a gift from the market maker. Do not be greedy, do not buy and hold, because that's not buy and hold or swing trade, that's day trading. And do not mix positions. If you're a day trading position, let's say you have an account and it's in day trading, right? And the stock didn't do exactly what you wanted to do, and it didn't work out. So don't try to hold the stock and think that it's going to come back, or turn the day trading position to a swing trading position or buy and hold. That's a doomsday traders, because now you are mixing the account of day trading with swing trading, and it's not going to work out. What happens if it doesn't work out? Then you're going to lose a lot of money. So do not mix day trading strategies with swing trading strategies on that particular time when you enter the trade, whatever was in your mind. That's the psychology here. And whenever you see a profit, take it and run, because you are day trading, a grinder. And every time you see money in day trading, either if you're on the short side or on a green side, take it and run, because that's a gift from the market makers. and don't buy and hold, because what goes up must come down, and what comes down it's going to reverse and go sideways. So your profits gets less and it goes back to zero. Then now it goes against you in a negative side. If you want to learn this about this trading strategies and become a very good day trader, go to www.learndaytradingfast.com, get the course, and get me, of course, and I will definitely train you to become a professional trader and mastery in no time. Then that's what claimed on my LearnDayTradingFast.com. Alright, so I'm going to pause and let the stock do whatever it's supposed to do. So I'm just going to shrink my chart right here. And let's go back to the 3750. It touched the 3750 and it went back to 38. You see the time and sale right now, it's completely dead. It's useless. So therefore, is usually Mondays not too much volatility, and Fridays not too much volatility, or people are just trading the whole week, Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and Monday they're really tired. So the volatility gets less, except if it's the third Friday of the month, which is where we have an option expirations, so you see more volatile. But basically, in general, the best time to trade is Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Sometimes Monday, like afternoon after 12, and Friday the same thing. So that's what I wanted to share with you. So we're gonna pause and come back, and let's see the stock do what it's supposed to do. And our strategy for the day is, I want to short. Yes, it is high based on a descending triangles on today's chart, and that's the trade setups for today. Again, if you want to learn more about this in a professional way and pinpoint the high and low in day trading as claimed in Learn Day Trading Fast, go to www.learndaytradingfast.com, and I guarantee you that you will walk out of my course at least with your heads up. Alright, we're going to pause and come back later. Also, what I wanted to share with you, since the stock reached the 3750 and reversed back, I wouldn't short it right away. If I go to my timing sale, I need to see at least 10, 12, 13, 14 transactions going off on the 3750 or less, like 3750, 49, 48, something like that. Tells me that online day traders or hedge fund managers or somebody is going to put on the ask and reverse the stock all the way from up to down and continue down with the pattern as claimed as descending triangle. So therefore, is you don't want to short the stock right away when it touches certain numbers. You want to short it or go along with it based on the pattern and also how many transactions in the time sale. So it's very important to understand this, because it tells me that the short has been confirmed and volatility comes in, and based on that, if I don't see just a pattern and I don't see a 12 to 13, 14 transactions or 10 that's going off that 3750 or less, I'm not gonna short it, because for every time it touch, it reverse as a test and test. So just wanted to share that with you. It's very important to understand the mechanics of correct day trading. As well as it's Monday, as I told you before 3 minutes ago, that usually Monday and Friday are not really volatile. So therefore, you see the tape in the timing sale does not move more than a transaction or so. It's called touch and reverse. So what you need to see is, you need to see volatility, momentum, heat based on the pattern, and as well as confirmed with the timing sale. It tells me that the signal and the money zone for entering that signal is confirmed. So it's very important to understand such thing. Other than that, it's, you're going to be doubt, and when you're in doubt, of course, you have to get out, and it's not going to work in your favor. So everything has to be confirmed. So the main thing in day trading is to take increments and money fast, because that's a gift from the market makers. And also, when you see a pattern touches a certain numbers, you don't want to go in and short it or go along with it right away. You want to confirm it with time and sale and how many transactions going off at that number. Do we have 6, 8, 10, 12 transactions going off to 3750 as right here, or if it's going up to 41 something and we're seeing 8, 10 transactions? Other than that, it's going to be a problem, and it's going to be what I call head fakes. And also the third condition is in day trading, and it's a must for all day traders, is always put F then. If the stock touches 3750 with 10, 12 transactions, then I will look to short it. And if it's Monday, I won't be aggressive, because usually Monday it's a drywall patterns, and as you see it right here, it's not really as strong, and therefore I am very careful on entering these trades. If then And I'm not aggressive. I'm more conservative, even though if I see 10, 12 transactions touches the 37.50. So I just wanted to make sure that you understand this point, because it's very important to understand the day trading mechanic correctly to become successful at day trading. Go to www.learndaytradingfast.com, get the course, get me private one-on-one based when you buy on the course, and I will definitely teach you in no time how to master and enter the trade setups in day trading with pinpoint accuracy. And here you go. As I said earlier in the video, rewind the tape and see exactly what I said. Our entry is exactly at 37.50. It's down to 3628, so it's 36.28. That's almost a point, folks. And plus, as you see, the tape is not really volatile, it's not moving fast, but our entry was the exact pinpoint off yesterday's high, off a descending triangle, and it worked out for us 100% correct. If you want to learn this professionally and pinpoint every trade setups correctly and avoiding the head fakes that market makers do for online day traders, there's only one way to do it in simple English. No math, nothing headache or guesswork or anything like that that puts you on a stress zone, but only on the money cash zone. That's go to www.learndaytradingfast.com. Again, this is Ash Ham. Get the course, get me one-on-one, or email me at learndaytradingfast@gmail.com and let me answer your question. Any questions regarding day trading to teach you exactly how to become a smart trader and successful trader on the successful side in no time. As you see, the stock is going down to 36. That's a point and a half, folks, in real time. As you see, the transactions of the tapes exactly is taken off to 35.88. So I'm just going to record this and show you exactly how real day trading is all about, producing it to you live so you can see exactly how it's done with pinpoint accuracy. And I don't think there's anywhere else in this world besides, of course, there's other professional traders that knows exactly how to do it, but only 1 to 5% all over that knows exactly how to pinpoint the trade setups with 100% or 99% or better accuracy. Again, this is Ash Ham from LearnDayTradingFast.com. Thanks for listening, and go to www.learndaytradingfast.com, get the course, get me, and I promise to train you and how to trade the best trade setups out there in the trading business.